email alerts from www.readynotifiedpa.org. We've given out the emergency phone numbers. I'll give them out one more time. Of course, you can get them from 311, but Pico Energy's customer service, 1-800-494-4500.
Nutty dog.
Pico Energy's emergency hotline, 1-800-841-4141. Philadelphia Water Department, 215-6300. Philadelphia Gas Works, 215-235-1212.
Oopsie.
Again, public safety personnel and all of us stand ready to help and assist our citizens in any way that we possibly can. That's what we're here for. We're ready to do our part, and we want citizens, we need our citizens. I'm asking our citizens, please do your part. Do not put yourself in any jeopardy or danger. Again, for dialysis patients, there will be services tomorrow. SEPTA's CCT service and Logistic Care will provide service to dialysis patients who need it.
This nutty dog.
If you're in your vehicle, which again we're discouraging folks from being out in their vehicles, do not drive.
As big as she is.
Likely it is deeper than you think. Significant water in your basement.
She's gonna get bullied by the little dog.
There because of the possibility of being electrocuted. Shelter yourself at home at the